Y'all, I'm in Miami for my birthday weekend, and my boyfriend got me 2 bags. So let's do an unboxing. I had already started, as you can see. Took the ribbon off, but let's do an unboxing video. So we got the dust bag. So I got me a mini vanity. But yes, look at it. And I got this cute little scarf. I wanted something like real cute and dainty, and he already got me another bag, so I was like, agitating. Okay, so he also got me, a cute little card. It says, "Happy birthday, Dream, level 26." Okay, anyways, I already took this one out the box, and I left the box at home, but he got me the vintage Alma bag. So cute. I can't wait. Louis V pussy. Yeah. Before I go, look at the bathroom, y'all. The place we staying in is a mansion. Clock it.